Hey, what's up guys? My name's Infinite Blue, and welcome, well, I guess I'm just gonna make a, as you could say, quote, live video, where today, I am going to play, okay, Geometry Light does not work, so today, I will play, God, do I have any good games? Should I play a game of FIFA 15? Yeah, I should. It's the right thing to do. Probably not, but I feel like putting out another video because I haven't uploaded a video for you guys in a long time. Who had a birthday? Oh. Okay. So hopefully this will work. Oh, and it's also come to my attention that I sound very country in some of my videos, which I just noticed. Oh, come back. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do that a little bit because just to see if it's still recording. Probably gonna be really laggy. You're probably gonna hear a lot of noises. People might be calling my name. But yeah, we're gonna play a quick match. Start, why not? Just to warn you, I'm very bad at this game. Go play match. Okay. Choose that and blue because I don't feel like getting mixed up. Let's do this. I'm very bad at this game. I will probably rage. I will probably throw my iPod. But hopefully not. This is FIFA 15 Ultimate Team. I like Ultimate Team. So I can create my own team. It's logic. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just pass it over to Kim. And I'm going to kick this guy's butt because these guys are just easy. Wow. How did I not make that? Alright, I'm still recording. That's good. Hit it. Alright. So what am I? Putting out 3 videos today? Look at that. Go! Yeah, I have no idea how to edit videos. If I did, I would have put that voice in. But dream on. Dream on. Alright, these guys are way too easy. But I am terrible. That made that in. Why? Oh my gosh. Easiest match of my life. Sorry, checking if it was still recording. I think that's the problem with this thing. I have to go back to the home screen every now and then to see if it's recording. Because I was playing Plague Inc. I made a whole video on that. And it just did not record at all. I mean, it was recording, but then after about like the 10-minute mark, it didn't record. Oh my god, really? I'm already at 3 goals. Touchdowns. Touchdown! In soccer, yes. Okay, they just kicked the ball right to... What's this guy's name? I don't know. I don't know anything about soccer. Football, you might call it. Kick it dead. What are you doing? Wow. Wow. Wait, what? Was that mine? No. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going insane. I'm going insane. Wow. Better tackle him. You're not going to tackle him, are you? Here's the back. Oh, I thought he wasn't going to catch it there. Oh, I was going to be so mad. Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright. Why are you? Pass. I need to check if it's still recording. Once I make this goal, I will. Ooh. Simmons. Is that your name? Great goal. Alright, still recording? Still good. This so-called later. I don't have Facebook. I don't need it. That made no sense. Oh, dude, that was bad. Shoot. Oh, look at that. You actually caught the ball. It doesn't tip out of your hands. I remember one time when I was previewing the guy's face, the ball just came around and smacked him right in the head. That was funny. I can tell you that. I laughed. Let's go Mutton Chops. That's the team name if you... That, okay, that was on me somehow. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. So, 50 views. I can't... That's amazing. Am I going the wrong way? Shoot. Whoa, okay. That was an amazing slide. Sprint, you fat elf. You missed. You missed, you fat elf. Whoa! You completely missed him, bro. I realized that, I was talking to one of my friends on Steam and he said he was watching my video, so, hello. Kinda weird talking about that. Shoot. Oh, that's football. If you guys watch soccer or NFL, you can post down what your favorite team is. My favorite, soccer team would be Germany. I don't know why, I just like it because it's what my family's like. And my NFL team is oh god, I'm already forgetting. What's your name? Well, I just like the Patriots. Tom Brady, all that stuff. Sweet afro, dude. Foul? No. Submission, look at that. Oh. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make this fun. We're gonna go up some world class here. Alright. I'm feeling that I'm already gonna get wrecked. Oh my gosh, my guys are so slow now. Why are they so... Why is everything going so slow? Why is it going so slow? Why are my guys not sprinting? Fat elves. Pass it. Oh gosh, they are good. Not good enough for... Nope, never mind. They're better than me. Defense, what do you... Slide. Or you can shoot, that gets the ball up there. I think we got this. Probably not. Probably just jinxed myself. Yeah. Doi! Here goes the ball. I bet you everybody thinks I'm insane. Well, I probably am knowing this. Shoot! Dude, that was way off. Call that a shot? I call that a miss. Whoa! See, if I could edit, I would put like a... What just happened? Slide. Yes! Run out the clock. It could go all the way. Yeah, we got this. There's no way they're going to be able to score 4 goals in the time being. Gosh, these guys are hackers. Yes, that was a dramatic fall. I loved how it just lagged so it looked like he was going in slow motion. Red card. Slow motion. Got another faker. You ready? Swipe left. Okay, yeah. I know. This way. Wow. I knew he was going forward. Okay, I changed my mind. Maybe they will be able to get... No, they won't. It's impossible. When in doubt, just shoot. Oh, that was so close. If that would have made that... What's going on? I can't move. Guys, it's that dude. Run out the clock. Oh, great job doing that. Woo! We won! GG! High fives all around. Alright, look at that. $520. What's that start button? Continue. Boom. Thank you guys for watching this amazing video that I just randomly put together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.